Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about how to fix ghost touches on Android. The first thing that you can try and do is pull down your quick settings, tap on the power icon and try restarting your device and see if that fixes the problem. The other thing that you can try and do is updating the software of your phone and see if that fixes the problem. Also, you can try and wipe your screen with a cloth, preferably a microfiber cloth, as it absorbs dirt and moisture. You can also try removing any third-party screen protectors as it is a primary cause for ghost touches. You can also try to reset your phone, but make sure to back up all your data before you do that. If all else fails, you may have to check the hardware of your phone as the digitizer may be damaged. You may need to take it to a repair center. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.